friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Razer Blade 15 laptop with NVIDIA RTX 4060 and 4070 GPU options. So friend, Razer Blade 15 continuing its story legacy of publishing the boundaries of thin and light 15-inch gaming laptop, and friend, it is now available. And friend, this ultra portable gaming machine is powered by the latest 13th generation Intel Core i7 13800H processor and NVIDIA's newest GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs up to the RTX 4070, and enhanced vapor chamber cooling and thinner 0.05 mm exhaust fans provide the exceptional thermal control needed to pack this level of performance in a laptop that is 25% smaller than Blade 16. And friend, it is portability at the forefront, and as the thinnest blade in 2023 line, it weighs less than 4.5 pounds and delivers to over 6 hours of battery life from 80 Wh battery. And friend, the 16 Gen 9 QHD 240Hz display provides smooth and sharp visuals with 2.5 millisecond response time and 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. And friend, it is easily upgradable, accommodating up to 4 TB of storage using an extra M.2 slot and up to 64 GB DDR5-5200 MHz memory, and allowing user to keep pace with even the most demanding games and tasks. And friend, this recently launched Blade 16 and Blade 18 are now available equipped with RTX 4060 and 4070 GPU as well. And friend, this will also equipped with RTX 4060 and 4070 GPUs. And friend, configuration round out full line of new Blade 16 and Blade 18 laptops. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.